You're probably wondering why I'm shooting this at my house. That's because the year is 2025 and I still don't have a smart door lock. Until today. This is it, folks, the Alfred DB2S Key-BL. Why this one, you ask? Well, I could say it's because it unlocks 5 different ways, with a timer, with their mobile app, with a touch-sensitive PIN code, with an RFID chip, or even with a good old-fashioned key. I could say it's because of its flexible connectivity, it can do Bluetooth, or with accessories, it can be Wi-Fi connected, Z-Wave, or Zigbee. Or I could say that it's because it looks stylish. Does anyone know what a sexy door lock would look like? The point is, it's not any of those things. It's because of this accessory from YCharge. We actually first checked out their technology 7 years ago when we showed this wireless power beaming light fixture that managed to run even a moving train and featured detection for human skin so that if you ever got in the way of its infrared beam, it would turn off so it doesn't, cook you. Cool, right? Let's take a look. This is really exciting for me because as soon as I first saw this technology, I was 100% on board. Like, you could retrofit every table in a restaurant to have phone chargers on them because you could just have, light fixtures that beam power to little receiver batteries or something like that. Or you could have electronic price tags all over your retail store that never need to have their batteries changed. It's so flipping cool. It's just that I think the price has been a major challenge for folks. What even is all of this stuff? All right, we've got a little base station for what seems to be the wireless power beaming unit. Okay, couple screws on here. Looks like it goes a little something like that. This will have to be within line of sight of your door, but what's cool about their technology is it sends such a focused beam that you don't have the inverse square power drop-off that you get with other wireless power technologies, like, for example, Qi, which is used for charging your phone. Not much else in here in terms of accessories. We've got a wall wart, one of the little modular ones, clip on my North American standard. And then things get really interesting because the next thing in the package is, you guessed it, a battery. Why do I need a battery? I'm supposed to have wireless power. Any device that uses YCharge for its wireless transmission and wireless receiving is still going to need either a battery or some kind of supercapacitor in it so that in the event that the power is interrupted, it's still able to operate, unlike the train that we showed in our demo all those years ago. So this is a small rechargeable lithium-ion battery that should last functionally forever. Which is to say, not forever, but hey, at least this can be opened up with a couple of screws, so maybe I could just huck a different one in there. This thing better not bulge, you guys. Lithium batteries don't like to be charged all the time. What else we got in here? There's this piece, which has another battery in it. This is the one for the lock. I don't know what the crap this is. See, there's a little battery there and plugs into the Alfred and the power receiver. What's this for? This is just like charge your phone? Okay, now I wanna know. I'm gonna be a giant dork and I'm gonna have a USB-C thing on my phone. So I was just gonna put this like here. So it's kind of pointed at my door, right? Stylish? It's a good thing I have a sense of humor about myself. Oh, cool. They got what looks like a little quarter 20 mount there. Yeah. So you got lots of mounting options. There is another port on here. There's a Type-C port, 12 volt, 2 amp power in. So I guess that's just one of the options. Cool, so that's there. There's the power. Okay, now what? Is it gonna, do you have a setup guide that I'm missing?
Yeah, you took out the paperwork.
I did?
Yeah.
That doesn't seem like something I would do. Oh yeah, there it is. Yeah, there. Quick start guide. Ooh, clear line of sight, 80-degree field of view. Wow, 80-degree field of view, that's pretty big. The transmitter will map the room for a few minutes. Then it will run a charging cycle sequentially powering each receiver that it sees for 1 hour. Configurable. Okay, so green means it is looking for receivers. Well, I'm gonna leave this here then while we work on our lock, and we'll see if it starts charging at some point. You thought you missed Lime Day? Wrong! We found some more cuts to make. Save $20 on a mystery screwdriver and get one of 5 exclusive Lime Day colorways. Save $15 on our iconic double-wall vacuum-insulated water bottles. Buy a precision bit set and screwdriver bundle and we'll throw in a free Jerry Rig Everything knife. Killer deals, right? And best of all, you get free shipping on every order over $175 US if you're on the US site, and every order over 250 Canadian dollars if you're shopping from anywhere else. So hurry, visit lmg.gg/lime. The clock's ticking. Let's modify my Alfred Smart Lock. Oh, here we go. Man, this thing's freaking heavy. Can you feel it in your testicles yet?
That's what that is.
How hard could this be, right? Uh-huh. Yeah. Oh, good. Okay. This is a door open or closed sensor. I don't actually need this because I have one already. Key. Ooh, little RFID tag for your keychain. I want to get one in my finger. So I can be like, I'm home. Man, I'm so stoked on this. Being able to let people in remotely to my house and stuff like that. You can give them like a one-time use code. It's great for like Airbnbs or deliveries to apartments or just all kinds of cool stuff. Here's a big fat battery. Ha! Don't need you. Let's follow the modification instructions. New Alfred faceplate. Unscrew the faceplate. How does this come out? Oh yeah, there you go. The face is off. Use the fabric pull tab to remove the old battery module and set it aside. How the frick many batteries does this thing come with? What's hilarious about Y-Charge partnering with these guys on this lock is that out of like all the smart locks, this is one of the ones that needs the wireless charging least. Like I think this thing lasts for like a year on that battery. But that's my whole thing with like battery powered smart devices is as soon as you have one of them on like every one of your stupid, locks and every one of your stupid, window sensors, you're replacing one of these things like a couple times a week, and a lot of them come with just like random proprietary batteries. It's not convenient. I want everything to be hardwired or at the very least air wired. This is still not charging this thing, so I don't know how that works. Plug the cable from the new faceplate into the new battery module. So this bigger battery was supposed to be the one that was in there, and this that was in there, I was supposed to put in. I see. All right, time to plug this in then. Here. This goes in a little something like that. Yeah. Insert and tighten the screw from step 1 to complete. That does not fit quite as nicely as the OEM cover. It looks all right. I don't think it's the kind of thing you'd ever notice unless you knew what you were looking for. All right, I have upgraded the Alfred with wireless power. I don't know if I'm convinced that's working. Yeah, it's still green. It hasn't detected this. I assume removing the old thing is part of the dealio. Oh lordy, this one's shifted too. Oh wow, I never noticed that before. That's the thing, never look that close at your house because as soon as you do, it just looks like crap. All right, there she blows. So I probably don't really need instructions, right? Like it probably just goes in pretty much the way the old one came out, right? Oh, okay. That is not the size of the hole at all. Or, hear me out. Yeah, look at that. Boop, 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 boop. Technology. Okay. I was supposed to do this first. Wait, what? How the heck am I supposed to get this cable around it? This thing really assumes I have a lot more room in this hole in my door. Oh boy. Wait, is that as far as it goes? What? You gotta be kidding me. Here, no, there's two depths, How is this so hard to move? There we go. Nice, okay. There we go.
Wow.
Oh yeah. Oh buddy. You get to turn that, oh yeah. That's, well, it's more about girth than length anyway. How are we gonna hold this on? Nice. Yes, success. Oh yeah, bud. I just got the 2 screws. Who needs all these screws? They're ridiculous. So this would keep it from twisting for sure, but I don't know if I care about that. The gasket seems good enough. I don't want to put any holes in my door. These 2 I could put in, because those are where the old one would go if I ever wanted to swap this out. All right, you happy, Mark? You happy, Mark? Are you satisfied?
Very.
Are you not entertained?
Oh, this is great. This is perfect.
Wicked smart. You can fit so much security in there and convenience. Simplicity. Why is the S used so much? Now for the 3rd time, I put in the modified battery. I amused myself. I gotta amuse somebody. So in here, we got break and entry, hall, 24 volt power. I mean, that would have worked. I could have just run power to it. I just wish I knew how much it cost. Y-Charge literally wouldn't even tell us how much it cost. We got like a range. And I think even that we got from The Verge. Hey, look at that. They put a convenient little red mark on there for you. Yes. Now's the time. I'm putting in the last screw. Head down to the comments. Tell me all the stuff I did wrong. It's too late for me to fix it. Well, it doesn't move. So that's good. Do I need to power it on? If only you'd told me sooner. About our sponsor. Shut up!
Thanks to Corsair for sponsoring this video. Their frame 5000D mid-tower case takes the fan favorite 4000D and adds a few features that you didn't even know you need, but you're gonna love to have. It now supports up to 450mm long GPUs, so your 50 series cards are all good to go. You can throw in even larger 420mm radiators, and their all-new infrared mounting system lets you easily go wild with your fan configuration. Speaking of fans, it even comes with 4 140mm big boys, no matter if you get the ARGB or the regular version. Oh, and of course it's available in both black and white. Learn more by using our link in the video description.
Well, there's your problem right there. There's wood. I'll need my chisel after all. I found this hatchet.
This is safe.
I couldn't find a hammer.
Yeah, yeah. It's rusty too. So
Yeah, it's pretty dull. I think that probably like it won't cut anything. I know, it's uncomfortable. It really is like.
Oh no! Ah.
Oh no, I got rust on you.
Workers' comp.
Get the old 1-2, you know? 1, 2. She's clear. Hey! It's me, Alfredo. Okay, but I have a problem. You know, close all the way. So I need to fix that. First, I want to see if this thing charges. Oh, hey, it's blue. It's blue.
Can you in the way?
Yeah, I sure can. Boom. All right, I bent the thing a bit. So it should close. Nice. Boom. Z-Wave. I'm gonna use the app anyway for now. Alfred Home. Oh goodness, 3.2 stars. That's always a good sign. Place palm over keypad to activate lock. Please keep your phone Bluetooth on. Hey! Select Bluetooth lock. Yes. Enter the master code of the lock to verify your identity. I guess it's probably in the packaging for the lock. Oh, look at that. There's templates for drilling and everything. Wow, we sure skipped all of that. By default, it's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Master code.
Verification failed. This used to be an LTT video and Elijah was working on it. He must have changed the master access code. Name the lock. F Elijah. No, I'll change it to something else. Tap to unlock. Hey, let's go! You can set PIN code keys, access cards, Bluetooth invitations, whatever these are. Door lock was shared to 0 member. Lock mode, away mode. I'm okay, what's that? Enabling this feature restricts all user PIN codes except the master PIN code key in app access. Okay, cool, okay, it's got all the modes and everything. One touch unlock by simply touching the keypad. No PIN codes required. Hey, auto relock, I want that. Privacy mode. Bluetooth energy saving? Yeah, I don't care. I don't care, ha! Now I wanna see if it's charging. So I'm gonna step out of the way and theoretically, it's gonna charge. What's that, 63% battery right now. Hey, it's doing it. So it's flashing, it's blue. How do I tell if it's charging though? I guess it kind of makes sense that something like this normally wouldn't really need an active charging indicator, like you would, plug it in and it would, charge. And how much power does this thing output? We've got the R1 HP, which is rated for 300 milliwatts, meaning that you're not gonna be powering devices directly off of it. It's really intended for like smart home IoT applications like this, where it juices up a battery over time and then it gets used intermittently. It's really cool tech. I'm just not sure if they're gonna be able to accelerate their adoption if it remains very expensive like it is. Oh my goodness, it's warm. Oh, not that warm actually. Okay, never mind, it's okay. Anyway, I'm super excited to try this out. I'll update you guys on WAN Show if I have any thoughts about it in the longer term. It's time for dinner. See you later, subscribe to Short Circuit.